Preparations for the moon landing are well underway. NASA recently tested an upgraded rocket engine. Starting with the Artemis 5 mission, the space agency will use Space Launch System rockets with upgraded RS-25 engines. This will happen by the end of this decade, but delays cannot be ruled out. The static fire test successfully began a series of certification tests on the RS-25 engine. The prototype operated for 9 minutes and 10 seconds. The propulsion system will undergo a total of 12 tests to receive certification.